Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Miruri and I do videos with legal conversations. So guys, thank you so much for the love that you're giving me in my legal systems video. One Hassan asked a question. Hi Hassan, shout out to Hassan. He asked a question on what are the functions of legal systems, and this is going to inform our video today. So please, before you continue, make sure that you subscribe to my channel, let the family grow, like, share with your family, and just show me the love. Okay, just show me the love. When someone asks what is the function of legal system, it appears to be kind of a complex question, but it is as easy as what is the function of law in a society. So in any society, the function of law is to create a conduct of norms, or norm of conduct to guide the way a society do their things or live. So I'm going to look at the functions of legal systems. Number one is that laws are made for specific objectives in a society. So if it is to guide how infrastructure is developed, how infrastructure is developed, then a law would be made for that specific reason. If it is to guide how schools or public institutions are run, then it would be for that specific functions. Another function of law is that it is made to help us resolve the disputes that we have in a society, and that's why more often we say that the function of law is to correct legal wrongs. So laws that guide the process of resolving those disputes. So that's another function of law in our society. The third function of law is just to regulate the social relationships in our society. The other function is to guide us to know how we can change our laws. So those are the functions of legal systems in any society, and even in our society. But today, I'm also going to delve into the two schools of thought, and that is the natural school of thought, and then we have the positive law school of thought. So we have the natural law school of thought, and we have the positive law school of thought. So these two schools of thought are just based on what law should be. And we're going to look at the positive law school of thought and the natural law school of thought. So the positive law school of thought subscribers believe that law should be written and codified. Simply that. And then we have the natural school of thought subscribers believing that law is a natural thing and it do not need to be written or codified. It is the true state of affairs of what is on the ground, like the human rights laws. So while these two schools of thoughts are different, they are very different. Both of them have their own disadvantages and their advantages. So if we look at the advantages of the positive school of thought, it is that because the law is written, it is very easy for people to read it and understand it. But its advantage comes in us or people losing themselves in what is written, rather than, this is simply like just focusing or putting your mind to what is written, rather than looking at what ourselves is. So you easily lose yourself when you subscribe to, because let me just say that's the disadvantage of positive school of thought. For the natural law school of thought, the advantage is that we do not need a text to determine what is wrong or right. We simply know that this is wrong and this is right. So that then becomes its advantage. But its disadvantage is that it is prone to uncertainty. It can be a little vague. Different things can mean different things to different people. Okay, so those are the two schools of thoughts, which are very different, but both of them has their own disadvantages and their advantages. Okay, so in Kenya, we have both natural law and positive law, and we say this because we have codified.
So here when I say that Kenya has both natural and positive law, I mean that Kenyan lawmakers and drafters have been able to use both school of thought to influence and make their laws.
Codified written law, we had mentioned this in another in the other video. We have legislations that are written and codified, but also we have, or we use, what is called fundamental principles. Of course, we've also been able to write them, to include them in our laws, but you can see their nature is that of natural law. Like, there's the natural thing to do, and that's why even in our constitutions we have sections that talk about fundamental principles. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video. If you have any more questions, feel free to ask the question in the comment section below. And again, please don't watch the video without subscribing to this channel. Please subscribe and let the family grow. Thank you for watching. Until next time, ciao.